Hi kids, hope our last session was quite helpful to you people. As you are doing chapter 3 subtraction, in this session I will explain you rules of subtraction which will help you to solve exercise 3.2. So let's see the rules. Our first rule of subtraction is subtracting 0. What that rule tell us? If we subtract 0 from a number, the answer is the number itself. Let me take an example. If I subtract 0 from 45, then what will be the answer? Same number 45. So what we see here? Whenever we subtract 0 from any number, the answer will be the same number. Now the second rule, subtracting 1. If we subtract 1 from any number, we get the predecessor of the number, that is the number just before it. Let me take an example. If I subtract 1 from 43, then what will be the answer? We subtract this 1 from that 1's place, 3, and we get here 2, and here same 4. So what we see here, whenever we subtract 1, we get a number just before that number, that means its predecessor. Now the next rule of subtraction, subtracting a number from itself. What that rule tell us? If a number is subtracted from itself, the answer we get is 0. Let me take an example. If we subtract 63 from the 63, then what we get here? 3 minus 3, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. So what we see here? When we subtract same number from a number, the answer will be 0. See the next rule, subtracting 10, 100, 1000. Now see, when we subtract 10, 100, 1000 from a number, the digit in the tens, hundreds, thousands places decrease by 1. Let me explain this. If we subtract 10 from that number, then what will be the answer? Here, this 1 we will subtract from the tens place. Here on the tens place we have 4. We will subtract this number from 4 and we will get here 3. So first number, that means 1's place number will be same, 3. And when we subtract this 1 from the 4, we will get here 3. And next digits will be same, 7 and 3. In next example, when we subtract 100, then we subtract this 1 from the 100 place digit. Now this 3 and 4 will remain same, and when we subtract this 1 from 7, we will get here 6, and the next digit will be same. In this example, we are going to subtract 1000 from that number. So this 1 we will subtract from the 1000 place number, that is 3. So what we get the answer? This 3, 4, 7 will remain same, and when we subtract 1 from this 3, we will get here 2. Now we can see here, when we subtract 10, the change will come on the tens place, When we subtract 100, the change will come on hundreds place. And when we subtract 1000, the change will come in the thousands place. As I explain you rules of subtraction, that will help you to solve question number 1 of exercise 3.2. Now we will discuss question number 2 of that exercise, which is for each of the following addition facts, write 2 subtraction facts. So in this question, we will write 2 subtraction facts. As you know, which 2 numbers we are adding, we call them addends, and the answer we get, we call it sum. So, for each question of addition, we are having 2 subtraction facts. How can we get that? From that sum. When we subtract first addend, then the second addend will be our answer. And when we subtract this second addend from that sum, the first addend will be our answer. Let's see here. First of all, we will take this sum. 8, 4, 2, 4, 6. And we subtract first addend from this 5, 3, 2, 4, 5. And we get this second addend as a answer. And in the second fact, again, we will take this sum first. 8, 4, 2, 4, 6. And now we will subtract this second addend. 3, 1, 0, 0, 1. And we will get this first addend as a answer. 5, 3, 2, 4, 5. So now students, as I explain you this A part, you can solve all the other parts accordingly. And for the explanation part, you can follow our video, and for the writing part, you can follow PDFs. Thank you. Have a nice day.